Have you ever thought about turning a simple task into a profitable side hustle? Washing windows might just be the perfect opportunity for you. This often overlooked service can provide a steady stream of extra income, and the best part is, it requires minimal investment to get started. Imagine earning money while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine, all while helping your neighbors see the world more clearly. Window washing is not just about cleaning glass, it's about enhancing the beauty of homes and businesses. With so many people leading busy lives, many homeowners are willing to pay for this service, making it a lucrative option for those looking to boost their earnings. Plus, it's a flexible gig that you can fit around your existing schedule, whether you're a student, a parent, or someone looking to supplement their full-time job. Exploring various income opportunities is essential in today's economy. Side hustles like window washing not only provide financial benefits but also allow you to develop new skills and meet interesting people along the way. So, if you're ready to dive into a rewarding venture that can brighten both your bank account and your community, stick around as we explore how to get started with window washing as a side hustle. Understanding the market. When considering window washing as a side hustle, it's crucial to understand the demand for these services in various locations. The potential customer base is vast, spanning both residential and commercial sectors. Homeowners often seek window washing to maintain their property's curb appeal, especially during spring cleaning or before hosting events. On the commercial side, businesses want to present a polished image, making regular window cleaning a necessity. Identifying peak seasons can significantly impact your success in this venture. Spring and summer are typically the busiest times for window washing, as people are eager to refresh their homes after winter. Additionally, many businesses ramp up their cleaning efforts in preparation for the busy holiday season, creating another opportunity for income. Regional differences also play a vital role in demand and pricing. In urban areas, where high-rise buildings are common, there may be a greater need for professional window washers, often leading to higher rates. Conversely, in suburban neighborhoods, homeowners might prefer more affordable options, creating a different pricing structure. Understanding these nuances will help you tailor your services and marketing strategies effectively. By analyzing the market, you can position yourself to meet the needs of your potential customers and maximize your earnings in this rewarding side hustle. Required skills and equipment. To embark on a successful window washing side hustle, it's essential to equip yourself with the right skills and tools. First and foremost, you'll need some basic equipment. A high-quality squeegee is crucial for achieving streak-free results, while sturdy buckets will help you carry your cleaning solutions. Don't forget about microfiber cloths for detailing and a reliable ladder for those hard-to-reach windows. Choosing the right cleaning solutions is also important. Look for eco-friendly options that are effective yet safe for both your clients and the environment. Safety training and techniques cannot be overlooked in this line of work. Understanding how to properly use ladders and harnesses, if necessary, is vital to prevent accidents. Familiarizing yourself with safety protocols will not only protect you but also instill confidence in your clients. Additionally, obtaining certifications or training can significantly enhance your credibility. While formal certification isn't always required, completing a window cleaning course can provide you with valuable skills and knowledge. This can set you apart from competitors and reassure potential customers of your professionalism. By investing in the right equipment and training, you'll be well prepared to deliver exceptional window washing services that keep your clients coming back for more. Setting your rates. Determining competitive pricing for your window washing services is crucial for attracting customers while ensuring profitability. Start by researching local competitors to gauge the average pricing in your area. This will give you a baseline to work from and help you understand what customers are willing to pay. Take note of their service offerings and pricing structures, as this information can guide your own pricing strategy. Next, consider factors that may affect your rates, such as job complexity and travel distance. For instance, washing windows in a high-rise building may require additional equipment and safety measures, justifying a higher price. Similarly, if you need to travel a significant distance to reach a client, it's reasonable to factor in travel costs. Another effective strategy is to offer package deals or discounts. For example, you could create a bundled service that includes window washing along with gutter cleaning or pressure washing. This not only provides added value to your customers but also encourages them to choose your services over competitors. Additionally, offering discounts for repeat customers or referrals can help build loyalty and expand your client base. By carefully setting your rates and considering these factors, you can create a pricing strategy that attracts customers while ensuring your side hustle remains profitable. Marketing your services. Promoting your window washing side hustle effectively is key to attracting customers and growing your business. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Nextdoor allow you to showcase your work through before and after photos, customer testimonials, and special promotions. Engaging with local community groups can also help you connect with potential clients who are looking for services like yours. In addition to social media, creating flyers or business cards is a great way to reach potential customers in your local neighborhoods. Design eye-catching flyers that highlight your services, pricing, and contact information, and distribute them in areas with high foot traffic or residential zones. Business cards can be handed out during networking events or left at local businesses, ensuring that your information is readily available when someone needs window washing services. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to share their experiences with friends and family. You might consider offering a referral discount as an incentive for clients who recommend your services. This not only helps you gain new customers but also builds trust, as people are more likely to choose a service recommended by someone they know. By combining these strategies, you can effectively market your window washing side hustle and watch your client base grow. Managing your time. Balancing your window washing side hustle with other commitments can be challenging, but with the right approach, it's entirely manageable. Start by creating a flexible schedule that accommodates your primary job and personal life. Consider your availability during evenings or weekends when most clients are likely to be home. By setting specific days and times for window washing, you can ensure that you're not overextending yourself while still meeting client needs. Setting realistic goals for the number of clients you can handle each week is essential. It's tempting to take on as many jobs as possible, but overcommitting can lead to burnout and affect the quality of your work. Assess your capacity based on your other responsibilities and aim for a manageable number of clients that allows you to maintain high standards while still earning extra income. Utilizing time management tools can also help you stay organized and efficient. Consider using apps or planners to track appointments, deadlines, and client communications. Setting reminders for follow-ups or scheduling regular cleaning days can keep you on track. By effectively managing your time, you can successfully balance your window washing side hustle with your other commitments, ensuring that you enjoy the benefits of extra income without sacrificing your personal life or primary job. In summary, window washing presents a fantastic opportunity for those looking to earn extra income through a flexible and rewarding side hustle. We've explored the various benefits of this service, from the potential customer base in both residential and commercial sectors to the importance of setting competitive rates. By understanding the market and equipping yourself with the right skills and tools, you can position yourself for success in this venture. As you consider diving into window washing, take a moment to reflect on your own skills and the market opportunities available in your area. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's a place for you in this industry. Remember, the key to success lies in effective marketing, time management, and maintaining high-quality service. Together, we can build a community of motivated individuals ready to take charge of their financial futures.